and sit with eyes wide open behind these four walls, hoping you know it's just a cruel existence. Like it's no point hoping at all. Ooh, baby, baby, I feel crazy.